here we have another trigonometric proving question, right? We need to prove this left hand side is equal with 1. All right, this here pi is actually 180, so pi by 2 will be actually 90 degree. All right, so don't confuse between this pi and 180 degree. All right, so pi by 2, that's going to be 90 plus theta. It is actually, this is 180 plus theta. All right, like that it is. So let's start. Let's write first left hand side. Our left hand side is cos 2 pi plus theta times cosec 2 pi plus theta, right, and then times tan pi by 2 plus theta, and then whole divided by sec pi by 2 plus theta. All right, then times cos theta times cot pi plus theta. And now we need to recall the concept that we had learned in the previous videos, right? What I had told you that in this region, if this is 0, this will be 90, this will be 180, this will be 270, and this will be again after completion of one complete revolution we'll get this 360. All right, so in this region there is no change, right? If I'm taking like sine pi plus theta or pi minus theta, similarly like sine 2 pi plus theta or 2 pi minus theta, there will be no change, there will be just simple sine. All right, and in this region there is changes. In this 90 and 270 region there is some change. I mean sine 90 plus theta or sine 90 minus theta, that will change into the cos, right, cosine, and cosine will convert into the sine, tan will convert into the cot, and cot will convert into the tan. These things we have already discussed. So here first we have if you look here, we have cos 2 pi plus theta. So 2 pi, this is 2 pi actually. 1 pi 180 and pi 180. So 180 is 1 pi and 180 another 180. So 1 pi 2 pi it is. So we are here now 2 pi plus theta. It means we are in the first quadrant and we are in the reference of 2 pi. It means there is no change. So it will be cos theta only. All right, it will be cos theta only. And now the thing comes whether it is positive or negative. Since 2 pi plus theta, it means we are in the first quadrant, and the first quadrant every value is positive. All right, so this is positive, but we don't have to write this positive sign. And now cosec 2 pi plus theta. Now cosec 2 pi plus theta, again it will be cosec theta, because in 2 pi region there is no change at all. I mean cosec will be cosec, sine will be sine, tan will be tan, and plus minus matters, but we are in the first quadrant, so that's why it's positive. And now tan pi by 2 plus theta. So what's pi by 2 now? Pi by 2 is actually 90. All right, so 90 plus theta, it means we are in the third quadrant, and in this region 90 and 270 region there is changes. So tan will convert into the cot, so it will be cot theta, and the things comes whether it is positive or negative. And now we are in the second quadrant, because 90 plus theta, we are in the second quadrant. In second quadrant we have only sine and cosec is positive, because from the rule of cast that we have learned, CAST, here sine and cosec is positive, rest of this is negative. So tan is negative here, so I have to put here negative sign, and then whole divided by, now again sec 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta means again I'm in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant sec is negative, so it will be negative. And now things come, so whether change or no change. So in this line 90 and 270 line there is change, so sec will convert into the cosec. All right, so it will be cosec theta. And now cos theta as it is, right? And now here is cot 180 plus pi is actually 180 plus theta. So 180 is this line. All right, this line, this is 180 line, and 180 plus theta, it means we are in the third quadrant, and in third quadrant cot is always positive, because T represents tan and cot. All right, so here it is positive, so it's positive, and there is no need to write positive sign. And now the things come whether it is changing or not changing. So in this line, in this 0, 180 or 360 line, there is no change, so cot will be simple cot only here, cot theta. And now if you see, there is many things cancelling. Cos theta get cancelled, cosec theta, cot theta, minus and minus. All right, so this is simple 1, so this is 1, and that's our right hand side. And this is how we need to prove our left hand side with right hand side. All right, we just have to clear the concept of this. All right, once we have the clear concept of these transformations and the sign of the trigonometric ratios in different quadrants, then we can easily solve these questions. If there is any more confusion in this explanation, then please feel free to comment below this video. I'll try to get back to your comment. All right, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Goodbye.